question that I ask you, boss lady. Kuti, now boss lady Munuang, where did you get information? Like, wow. I ask you, Jay, where did you get the information, Oro? Where is your anger? Thank you, LL, with Mabrijo. Whether she's married, whether she's not, where is your business enter? I asked you. And I tried because I love both of them. I was like, but I tell the truth. I tell the truth in that towers do anaconda. And you don't love Mabrijo. That's the truth. And I don't know, Kuti. Please. My Zimbabweans, let me ask you the question. Maybe I'm wrong. You can correct me. You can say, Mama Rasta, you are very wrong. But my mind, I did not go to school like everybody else. But my mind are very capacity. You know? My mind are very capacity. Can I ask you guys? Our capacity, my mind, our capacity. Please. Guys, can I ask you the question where you guys end up, whether Mabrijo is getting married or not? Where is your beef with her? Sometimes Zimbabweans, somebody, aningachichema, are very painful. Like I tell neMarooro, we can hear and say anything that we say the real truth or somebody when I say the truth because people because I don't know Mabrijo she did not deserve a man like everybody else. I was like, when I see Boss Lady, she's the person that I love. The person that I was thinking which she is the person who gonna understand me good or no. Guys. With Boss Lady Mabrijo anakurorwa ni best friend yake aripa side yake kana munhu we uyu zvine basa rei and looking now and I was like Boss Lady siane ine zvinhu because I was knowing myself good muna aenda negufefe ndivava maipo ndiye yu anzvadzi yangu Twini wangu. Twini ndiye akaenda negufefe kuna Boss Lady. Twini. Twini ndiye akaenda neguwa. Twini mbomira. Twini amusumuziya Twini. Yo. Twini akaenda neguwa. Pakauyu Twini. Hey, Twini ndi towers. Ndiye Twini wangu. Hey, ndiye Twini wangu uyo kuti akagerwa ngati akarukwa free hand. Ndiye akaenda negufefe. Moti chimwe chinhu ndiye. I was knowing the truth zvangu kuti no, but I was like, wow. I will find the truth that the one day I'm gonna say anything that yes I say. Because in it, I don't like it. Zvinoitwa Twini miswa. Shamwari yangu yati ndikuti bvudzi sechikiti. Hanzi munotuka chaizvo. Nana sendi. Kadari ko level na mama Rasta. Kuti unopisa. Ari kwa level na mama Rasta. And you call yourself kuti I'm a gifter. Are you a real gifter? Are you?